Hey, this is just a quick look at a new prompt model available in AI Assist on structuredprompt.com. So this one's called TRACI Tunable. It's very similar to the TRACI prompt, which is task, role, audience, create, intent parameters, and then various rules assigned to those parameters. This version is tunable, meaning you can assign weights to each of the attributes that it generates. So we're going to start with a quick prompt, act as a professional copywriter and write 5 slogans for a new bubble gum. I'm going to click submit. Okay, and that built the prompt for me. So as I look at this prompt, again, very similar to TRACI, except that the task, role, audience, create, and intent are nested within a parameter called prompt. That's one difference. The whole thing is nested in a parameter called system, and there are some instructions that basically tell it how to do, how to handle the weights. And after each attribute, under the rules section, for example, we have audience and then audience rules. There's a weight assigned. So it's ::1 is the default, which means true. We can change that to anything between 0 and 1 as we edit this prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this. And because it's flagged as a tunable prompt, it gives me some tuning instructions. Adjust the number at the end of each parameter to a value between 0 and 1, and it basically tells me how to do that. Just for demo purposes, I'm going to create a new parameter under role rules. We'll call it always writes like a pirate. We'll set it to 1, which is true, and that should generate some slogans that are in the style of a pirate. So I'll copy brackets to clipboard, head over to ChatGPT and paste it in. Okay, and that generated 5 bubblegum slogans in the style of a pirate. Blow ye bubbles of endless fun, set sail for flavor seas, long lasting taste that never fades, etc., etc. So very, very piratey. So I can go back now and tone that down if I want to. If I want to edit it and completely turn it off, I would just set always writes like a pirate to 0, and that turns it off. If I do something like 0.5 or 0.5 just to make it more legible, let's do that. I'll save that, copy it, head back over to ChatGPT, paste in my 0.5 version, and this is little less like a pirate, but still has a pirate theme. So that's just an example, but you can use this for anything. So any type of attribute you might have. Again, under elements, you can create a custom role that has off-the-shelf 30, 40 attributes built into it. You could go in and tune each of those and add that to a to a tunable TRACI prompt and kind of adjust them as you go. So that's out there now. Structured prompt, again, it's called TRACI Tunable. You can get to it from the main prompt library. You go to AI Assist, select TRACI Tunable, and basically just enter your prompt, and you can go from there. If you don't have access to structuredprompt.com and would still like to try this TRACI Tunable model, you can head over to structuredprompt.com and click on hover over Learn Prompting, go to Structured Prompt Notation Editor, and the prompt that we just used in the demo is preloaded in here. You just click on Load TRACI Tunable Prompt Example, click Save and Convert, and this will convert it to a variety of formats. We used brackets in our demo, but it also converts it to JSON, YAML, XML, etc., etc. So you can kind of experiment with those. This is the exact prompt that we used in the demo. Always writes like a pirate is set to 1. So if you wanted to experiment with it, try to set it to 0.25, you could do that, save and convert, copy to clipboard, head over to ChatGPT, and paste it in, just like we did in the demo. So that's out there now. If you want to experiment with it, again, under structuredprompt.com, Learn Prompting, and Structured Prompt Notation Editor. And I'd also invite you to join now if you want to try and join as a beta tester and have access to the full structuredprompt.com tool. Okay, thank you.